Hi, so this is the second part to the wireless bridge video. Last time I showed you how to configure everything. Now I want to show you how do you connect to the printer. So we have mainsail open here. It says that there's no communication because the printer is right now shut down. Let me show you a few checks first. So let's start with the services. The ESP bridge, you see it's running and enabled. This is the command. It tries to connect to this IP 4.1, and right now we don't have an IP because we're not connected to the printer yet. Clipper, it's also running, nothing special here. We also have Moonraker for mainsail running as well, nothing here as well. Okay, now let's see the IP. So right now we have this IP because I am connected to this wireless network. So I'm gonna start the printer right now. So I just powered it. Now I'm gonna scan the wireless for a new wireless network, and we have ESP printer. I'm gonna connect to it. It says connected. Okay, now we're gonna check the again IP, and we see we have 4.2, and if we check for the route, yes, 4.1 gateway. All right, let me also show you the bridge. So if we go to TMP folder, you see we have the bridge active. All right, we can also do a ping. It's not needed, but I just want to show you. You see it's communicating. All right, now we're just gonna press the restart here, and it should connect. Just wait a few seconds. Alternatively, we can check the log. It's in. All right, it says serial connection. Let's do a restart. And it should connect now. There, you see. I do have this small issue with the sometimes when the, from what I've understood, when if Clipper that's running on the board on the Pico receives some data on the serial before it powers on and everything, it gets into this loop and gets stuck here. So you need to restart Clipper. Doesn't happen all the time. I'm not sure, maybe there could be some hardware thing we can do. Right now the connection between the ESP and Pico is just a wire. I think I've read we could put some resistors in order to make this go away, but it's not annoying and it's quite easy to fix it. Just restart the Clipper service and it works. Let's do a homing. You see I have a new Z and stop here. Alright, so it's working. The connection is done via this, so no wire, just the ESP there. Okay, that's it. Hope you found this helpful. Like and subscribe for more.